Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the best deals video for next week at Walgreens, which would be the 12th through the 18th of February. And I think we got a lot of really good deals. We still have the spend 25 get 7 of the beauty booster, beauty and personal care. If you still have that, we have the P&G deal. We've got a lot of really great deals. Plus in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the contactless method of payment through the Walgreens app and a scenario that you can use that with so that you can use your paper booster and use Walgreens cash to pay. So I think that's a really useful tool if that's something that you're into. And then I can always refer back to this video so that you can see how that's all done. So also on the 12th, we are not getting any new inserts. So if you want to purchase past inserts and maybe catch up a little bit, you can. There's always a link down below in every video for you to purchase inserts through a very reputable source. So for the first deal that I want to show you, it's on the Axe body wash. Now, this is a deal of the week, and it is part of the buy 3 get back $5 in a store register reward, but it also includes deodorant, the body wash, and the body spray. So you don't have to get the body wash if you're not into the body wash, but I think it's a pretty good value. So anyways, I'm going to grab 3 of the Axe body wash. They are going to be $5 a piece. You'll use 2 of the Axe insert coupons from the February Unilever insert, and then use a $2 off Axe Digital that we are getting as well. That'll bring your total down to $9. Pay that, get back a $5 register reward. Then you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get back 2,000 points or $2 for every 2 that you buy. And that promotion does include the spray, the body wash, and the deodorant. So then that's going to make your total just $2 for all 3. I think that is a really, really good deal, especially if you know someone or use Axe body wash. So then the next deal is another deal of the week. It is for the Tresemme. Again, buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. Now it says in the ad $6 or $7. So for this scenario by itself, I'm choosing the $6 option, and we are going to grab 3 of those. That'll cost $18. And we have a 7 off 3 digital coupon. It's already available in your app to clip, so I would clip that now. There's also 5 off 2 insert coupons. So after the digital coupon, you'll pay $11, get back a $5 register reward, then submit your receipt to Ibotta. There is a deal over there. I'm sorry, it's Fetch. There's a deal over there with Unilever Hair Care that when you buy 2 products, you'll get back $2.75 essentially, making all 3 products just $3.25. I do have a scenario at the end of the video that's including the Tresemme, but we're going to grab the $7 items because it will behoove us to do so. So right now for this one here by itself, I would grab the $6 Tresemme. So next we have the Emergency. Now in the ad it says this is a deal of the week. Now it could be buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, and it could double dip with the deal that's going on until the end of this month. It's been going on for January and February, where you buy 2, you get back a $5 store register reward. So I have the math here for buying 2, get back that register reward, but I think I'm going to test it out and get 3 of them and see if I get both of those back. Now it does say in the ad that they will be buy 1, get 1 50% off, and they are normally at one store that I go to, it says that the normal price is 2 for $10. So one would ring up at $5, the other one would be 50% off at $2.50. Now, if you get 3 of them, then the next one would ring up at $5. Another store that I go to, instead of them regularly being 2 for $10, they're 2 for $11. So it just depends on your store. So picking up 2 of these, even though it says 3 on this little graphic here, you're going to pick up 2 of them. One will be $5, another one will be $2.50. So that'll equal out to $7.50. We are getting a $5.50 off of 2 digital coupon, and then that'll bring our total down to $2.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it free, and a $2.50 moneymaker, which of course is amazing. Now, I will definitely report back to you and update the Google Doc if they double dip together. The next deal is a repeat deal. It's a deal I did this week and I think is a phenomenal deal. So it's on the Lysol wipes. It's the kind that lay down, that open up like a pack of baby wipes. They're buy one, get one free this month. And so my store is priced at $6.49. So picking up 2 of them, you'll pay $6.49. We have a $2 off digital coupon that you can use. That'll bring your total down to $4.49. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. I only have 25-cent rebates on Ibotta for each one of them, but I've seen a lot of people have 75-cent rebates on Ibotta. But I'm just going to put down what I have here. So then you're going to get back 50 cents on Ibotta for getting the 2 of them, plus a 50-cent bonus if you haven't gotten that already. That's going to make your total $3.49 for both of them, or about $1.75 a piece, which those are a massive amount of wipes. It's a really good amount, so I'm definitely happy with that price, and I'm going to pick them up again this week. I have another repeat deal, and the reason why I wanted to mention this deal to you guys is because this Nivea men's deal is a monthly deal where it's buy 2, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and they are 10% off. But if you're like me and when you get to the store, the Nivea Shave Foam is gone and you only have the more expensive shave gel, this is a pretty good option, I think. So you'll pick up one of the shave gels for $4.49. That's the 10% off price at my store. And a face wash for $6.29. You're going to use a 2 off 2 Nivea Shave coupon from the $1.29 save insert. Now that's either 2 off 2 shave products or $2 off a face product. So you can only use the one. So then that'll bring your total down to $8.78, but then you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for the shave gel, $2 back for the face cleanser, and if you haven't gotten it already, the $1 Nivea bonus, making both of them free and a 22-cent moneymaker, which isn't half bad. Of course, a bigger moneymaker is nicer, but I still think this is a good deal. So next we have the Dove Body Wash. The Dove Body Wash is priced at $7. This also includes the Dove soap, but that's priced at $9. So these are buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. Pick up 2 of them at $14. Now we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is on the app right now that you can clip, but we might get a bigger value coupon. So if you want to wait it out until you get the 7 off of 2, then you can. You can always remove the 3 off 2. It's no big deal if you clip it now. So if we do not get a 7 off 2 coupon and we just have the 3 off 2 coupon, then the total you will pay is $11, but you can use Walgreens cash to pay, of course. You'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making both of them just $7. Now we have gotten Dove Body Wash a lot cheaper in the past, but if you're out, this is a decent deal and you can use Walgreens cash on it. Actually, all the deals that I've shown you so far, you can use Walgreens cash on them if you don't want to mess with a booster, or I'll show you how to build up the transaction later so that you can. But right now, we're just going to focus on the task at hand. So we're going to pick up the Tide, Downy, and Gain. They're on promotion for buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. Now, this is not advertised as a deal of the week, so you don't have to worry about that. This is a manufacturer coupon, or a register reward, I should say. So buy one of the Tide, one of the Downy, and one of the Gain Flings or Gain Liquid for $5.49. You'll use dollar printable coupons from the pggoodeveryday.com website. Those are linked in the Google Doc down below. Now, I have had the coupons that I've printed so far reset for me, so definitely take a look at your PG account and see if they've reset for you. If they've reset for you on the website, then definitely print them out the day you go to do this deal. So the total for the 3 are going to be at $16.47. Use the 3 printable coupons, and then you will pay $13.47. Get back $5 in register rewards for getting the deal, and then a $5 P&G register reward, making your total for the 3 products just $3.47, which is an amazing deal, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay on this. Now, all of my digitals for the P&G products are expiring this week. So if you only want to print out one coupon and use some digitals, just check your app to see if we have any new digitals for these products. Now next we have a beginner-friendly spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash scenario here. And by beginner-friendly, I mean it's very, very easy to do. So you're going to go in and pick up 3 of the Axe body wash at $5 a piece and 2 of the Lysol wipes at $6.49. That'll equal out to $21.49. You're going to use your Axe coupons and your $2 digital for the Lysol. That would make your total $13.49. You would pay that. You would not be able to use Walgreens cash in this instance. You'll get back a $5 register reward plus $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster. Then you would get back 2,000 points on Fetch Rewards for the Axe body wash. And then you would get back 50 cents for the wipes and a 50-cent bonus, making all 5 products just 49 cents. And I think that is a very, very good deal, especially if you're a newer couponer at Walgreens. This is a good scenario to get your feet wet. Next, I have a scenario for you using a spend $40, get back $9 on Walgreens cash paper booster, and pairing that with a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. But instead, we are going to be building the transaction up, and I will show you how to use the contactless method of payment. Now, one of the most important things when doing a scenario like this is you've got to learn to be flexible. You've got to learn to take some of the things that you don't necessarily need so that you can do this. Like in this instant, the L'Oreal moisturizer. You might not necessarily need it, but there's a large high-value coupon attaching to it that you can use to help build up your transaction. So what you need to know when you are putting together a scenario is, will my dollar amount plus the total value of my coupons equal out to the highest spend booster that I'm using? So the amount of coupons that you have plus the amount you pay out of pocket has to equal the amount of the $40. So that's why I'm using, this is a really good example of a pretty common combination that we get. So let's look at the actual scenario first. So we're going to grab 3 of the $7 valued Tresemme. Whatever products are priced at $7, pick up 3 of those. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the emergencies that are priced at 2 for $10. So one is $5 and one is $2.50. Then I don't have these 2 items in the previous part of my slideshow here, but you pick up 2 of the Airwick refills priced at $6.49 and pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Collagen moisturizers. Those are buy one, get one 50% off. So one is $13.49 and one is $6.74. The 2 will equal out to $20.23. So the total cost for all of your items here equals out to $61.71. We are going to be using that 7 off of 3 Tresemme digital coupon. We're going to be using a $5.50 off 2 emergency digital coupon. We have a buy one, get one free Airwick coupon that we can use. It's also digital. It will take off $7. And then we have a 12 off of 2 L'Oreal facial care digital coupon that attaches to the L'Oreal Collagen moisturizer. So that is going to bring our total down to $30.21. So the total amount of coupons that we have so far is $31.50. We only need to spend $40. So we have $8.50 in actual cash that we have to spend. So you're going to look at your total here at $30.21. The most you can use in this scenario is $20. So after the $20 in Walgreens cash, you know that we will have to pay $10.21. $10.21 plus $31.50 is higher than $40. So we're all good to go here on our scenario. So now how do we figure out the math in this? Well, the actual cost is the amount that we pay and then what the total is after all of our rewards. So we'll get back a $5 register reward for the Tresemme. a $5 register reward for the emergency. We'll get back a $5 register reward for the L'Oreal Collagen, because the L'Oreal is spend $20, get back $5 in store rewards. Then we'll get back $14 in Walgreens cash for our 2 boosters, and $7 in Walgreens cash for our personal care booster, if you still have that. If you don't, then your total would be $7 more, which would still be a moneymaker. Submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get back $2.75 there for the Tresemme, making everything that we have here free and an $8.54 moneymaker. And we only paid $10.21 out of our own pocket instead of $30.21 out of our own pocket. So the most important thing to know is when doing these scenarios is that the amount of your coupons plus the amount that's left over out of pocket that you would pay after you take off some Walgreens cash has to equal the amount of your booster. So that's the most important thing. If you don't have that $7 when you spend $25 in a digital booster for beauty and personal care items, your total is still going to be free and a $1.54 moneymaker. But I did want to throw that in there because that booster is good until the 4th of March. So I have a little screen grab here to show you on how to actually use the contactless way to pay so that you can do a scenario like this in the store. I don't always do these scenarios, but I don't think I would be a good teacher if I didn't at least show you in depth how to do it. I will also put in this Google Doc the correct steps that you need to do when you're at the cashier so that you can use all of your items, your boosters, your coupons, your Walgreens cash, and it all work out and not freeze up the register like it did for me the first few times I did it. So I've been asked quite a few times over the last few days, how do I do the contactless method of payment? And it's very, very easy to do. The hard part is figuring out your math, which I will help you with the math. But this part here is very easy to do. So when you go to this page here, like you're going to sign out of your app, you'll see here it says Walgreens Cash Rewards. For mine is for $57.55. You want to tap that, and then it's going to open this up here. And you can see a few different things, but you're going to want to tap View My Wallet or View Your Wallet. Then you'll see here it says skip the PIN pad and pay with your barcode. Confirm your payment method, redeem your rewards, and review your coupons. So right here at the top, it'll say preferred method of payment. Whatever way you want to pay, make sure that is in your wallet and ready to go. Next, you'll see redeem rewards. And what you'll do is you'll go here where it says the amount, and then you just pick the amount that you want to use. So we're going to use $5, let's say. Make sure here, of course, our coupons are all clipped, and then you hit pay now. Now, my barcode is going to be messed up here, or you know what I mean, so you can't use the barcode. But then you take this and you hand it to the cashier. Well, you don't hand your phone to the cashier, you just show them the barcode. But you show them the barcode after they scan your coupons. Then they'll scan your barcode, and then they can scan any paper rewards like a paper booster. And after they do that and they finish out the transaction, it'll cash everything. It'll go and cash you completely out, and then you'll get back your Walgreens cash, and you've been able to use your paper booster and any digital boosters. So that is how you use it. It's really, really quick, and I'll have down, like I said, in the Google Doc, how to do the order at the store so that it all works well. So that is everything that I have for you today. Please, please leave any questions that you have down below. I will be more than happy to help you with any type of anything that you need help with. I'll be able to help you, okay? So that is all I have for you today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to look at the Google Doc, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.